This will be a short video on my Zippo Slim. It's not the older one. This was made in, I think it says 08. Okay. It's an okay lighter. I don't think, me personally, I don't think that they're made quite as well as the regular Zippos, say like this one, 1963 Zippo, the brushed face and polished sides. But it's still a Zippo, still a lighter, works well. It's got flint in it. There's no fluid. I ran out of fluid recently. Haven't been able to get some, but it's a good lighter altogether. I've only carried this one for maybe a few weeks until I started to get tired of it. It was just annoying. It took 2 to 3 lights to light it. Alright, I've changed the wick, I've put new flints in it, I've pulled it apart, put it back together, done everything to it, but it still doesn't want to light on the first go. Right now it isn't lighting at all, but that's because it's got no fluid in it. But when it does have fluid in it, it doesn't like it to work. Oh well. So this is just a short video on my Zippo Slim. Hope you guys liked it. Bye.